Welcome to This Week in Williamsburg. I'm your host, Rebecca Suerdieck, curator of archivewilliamsburg.org. Now journey back in time with me. This week in 1909, Arbor Day was celebrated for the first time in Williamsburg. Local school children were organized by the Junior Civic League to plant dogwood trees on the grounds of the old Colonial Capitol building and along the Palace Green. Reverend Goodwin welcomed everyone with an opening prayer and a short talk on the importance of planting these trees for future generations to enjoy. This week in 1915, local Boy Scouts entertained Williamsburg's Campfire Girls at their new clubhouse. The young people enjoyed the evening by playing games and dancing to records. Join me next time for another edition of This Week in Williamsburg, brought to you by archivewilliamsburg.org and the Williamsburg Old Time Radio Hour, your source for hometown history, online, on stage, and on the air. I'm Rebecca Suerdieck.